Today I'm going to explain the expression to go all out. To go all out means to give maximum effort. Put all your energy and enthusiasm into something. It's when you do everything you can to make something as good as possible. Let me give you some examples. When they have a party, they really go all out. They decorate the whole house, buy a lot of food, and even hire a DJ. Let's take another example. If they want to win, they need to go all out in the final game. Or let's say it's your best friend's birthday, you go all out by baking a cake, decorating, and planning a surprise. So the next time you want to describe someone giving their best effort, you can use to go all out.